Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to fix file import failure error in Adobe Premiere Pro. It is a very simple error and I give the simplest solution to fix this error. So let's go. First, just go to the start and just type settings. Okay. And just click on the settings. In settings, just find apps. Just click on the apps. In apps, just find optional features. Just click on the optional features. Just click at here. Okay. And here, just find Windows Media Player. If you not installed Windows Media Player at here, then just go to the here. Here we find few features. In Windows 10, it is add an optional feature. Just click on add an optional feature in Windows 10 or Windows 8 or 7. Okay, just click at here, view features. And first, I just download and install Windows Media Player. Okay, if it's not available on your PC, then just install it. Okay, now just check this and just click on the next and just click on the install. Okay, next option is just go to the add optional features once again. Just click at here and this time just type graphics. Just type graphics tools. Just type graphic tools. Just check the graphic tools and just click on the next. Okay, now just click on the install and another. Just click on additional features once again. Few features. Okay, and this time just type media feature pack. Just type media feature pack. In Windows 10, media feature pack is not available. In Windows 10, Windows 7, 8, 8.1, media feature pack is available. Just select that media feature pack and install it. Okay. Now I am installing graphic tools and then I am just installing Windows Media Player Legacy and then just restart your machine. After installation is completed, just go to the start and restart your machine, and after restarting, your problem must be solved. So guys, this is the simplest way to fix file import failure error in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.